consuming power. How do we do that in the best way possible? Just open a window search icon, and then type in Task Manager, open this app here. Then you maybe need to click on more details. So a window looking like this should open. And then we can see all of the tasks that are currently opened on our PC. Then, as I already said, just close everything that you don't need and that is consuming a lot of capacity. You can also sort by each component, which definitely also makes sense. In my case, a lot of memory is being used, and therefore I can just sort by memory and then look at each of these tasks, and then if I don't need any of them, just select them and click on End Task. Then just do that with also the other components, and then if you've done that, we can get to the second point, and that is just open FiveM as you normally would, and then a task with the name FiveM should show up here. You can also find it by selecting any of them and then just type in FiveM on your keyboards. Then it should just jump to the task, to the right one, and then you need to just right click on FiveM, click on Go to Details, and then you need to make sure to stay on the same task, and again right click on it, hover over Set Priority, and then just use anything above normal. Real time is the best, second best is high, and so on. But I would just suggest you to use anything above normal. Best one is real time, so I'm just going to use real time and then just click on Change Priority, and that's already it. Our frame drops should be solved now. If so, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If not, also leave a comment and I will write you back as soon as possible, and we will surely find a solution. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Wish you a wonderful day. Bye.